After investing hundreds of hours into my first YouTube channel and successfully publishing over 50 videos, I still hadn't cracked 1,000 subscribers and my channel still wasn't monetized. I was more than ready to give up. I did give up. But a few years later, I decided to re-examine some things. I really wanted to be a YouTuber, and I also saw that YouTube could really help my business by helping me grow my audience and attract customers. So I became a student of the YouTube algorithm and I analyzed thousands of channels. About a year or so later, I emerged from my bat cave and started a brand new channel. And this time, things went a little bit differently. In less than 3 months, I reached 1,000 subscribers and got my channel monetized, and from there, my channel continued to double in size for several months. So in month 4, I had 2,000 subscribers. In month 5, I had 4,000 subscribers. In month 6, I had 8,000 subscribers, and so on until my channel got to be about 20,000 subscribers large, and then it continued growing by 5,000 to 10,000 new subscribers every single month, all the way up to where I am today, sitting at well over 600,000 subscribers. And I have to say, it was worth the work and totally not overhyped. I love being a YouTuber, and having a successful YouTube channel has done incredible things for my business. If you're curious what I learned during that year of studying the YouTube algorithm and analyzing thousands of channels, then sign up now for a free workshop I put together about 3 secrets to reach 1,000 subscribers and get monetized in just 3 months. I know this is possible because not only did I do it with my own YouTube channel, but I've seen hundreds of YouTubers do it since. Sign up now for my free workshop to learn 3 secrets to reach 1,000 subscribers and get your channel monetized in just 3 months. I know you can do it if you understand how the algorithm really works.